The forgotten connection. We were born to be together, to love, to share, to weather whatever storms may come. But somewhere along the way, we forgot. We forgot how to be friends, how to hold each other in the quiet and the chaos. We stopped being family, even when we share blood. We let the lies seep in. Lies that whispered, "You don't need them." Lies that told us, trust is weakness. We've been sold stories by outside forces, that power comes from standing alone, that love is a transaction, that connection is a threat, and we believed them. We locked our doors, closed our hearts, made walls out of systems designed to divide. Politics told us to choose a side. Technology gave us screens, but stole our touch. Money made us chase it, while robbing us of time. And here we are, together, but apart. Family, but strangers, friends in name, but not in soul. We patch wounds with band-aids of silence. We smile to hide the fractures. And we call this living, but we're not living. We're surviving. And surviving isn't enough, not when we're meant for more. What if we stopped believing the lies? What if we looked past the walls and saw each other again? What if family wasn't just a word, but a bond we nurtured, a table we always came back to, no matter how far we wandered? What if being a friend meant showing up, not just in the good times, but in the messy, the real, the raw? What if we let love be loud again, not hidden, not whispered, but shouted from every corner of our lives? Here's the truth. The systems that divide us will never fix us. They were built to keep us chasing, to keep us distracted, to keep us apart. Real change doesn't come from a band-aid. It comes from breaking the cycle. It comes from choosing each other, over fear, over pride, over everything else. Start here. Call someone you've forgotten. Open the door you've kept closed. Forgive the grudge that's weighed you down. Be the friend you've been waiting for. Be the family someone else needs. We've spent too long living as if connection is a risk. It's not. It's the answer. The world won't change with one grand gesture. It will change when we remember that love is the only system that works, that together is the only way forward. So tear down the walls. Ignore the lies. Look at each other and say, "I see you. I need you. Let's heal this together." This is how we remember. This is how we rebuild. This is how we become whole. I'm just the messenger, Pharaoh B.